Okay, I'm not sure. I think we did these in class, right? And then here's number 10. It's an or because, well, they're both greater than, but then when we did this one, let me check. Let me make sure I copied it right. Yep, I got it. Okay, and divide by a negative, the inequality switch. N is greater than -3. Numbers that are greater than -3 go that direction. Here is n is less than -5. Numbers that are less than -5, -6 going on that way. So go in a different direction. It's an or, and you write it like that. Okay. And then here when we graph double colored, the shaded area should be inside, right? I got the two colors, so I can do that. So shade one side, shade the other, and then the one that is inside is the answer. There we go. So your answer should look like that is the answer. Everything inside those parallel lines. Okay, equation of a line. Yeah, there we go. It's down 2/1. The y-intercept is at -2. All right. Then we did this in class. We did these in class. Oh, we here we didn't explain. Okay, make sure you explain which use substitution or elimination. I used elimination because both equations, both linear equation, their linear equation makes a line are in standard form. Okay, now I think it says to explain your first step. I multiply the second equation all by 3 to get a positive 9y to eliminate y. I multiply the second equation by 3 to get 9y to eliminate y. Okay, that's good enough. Okay, the nickel and dimes, we did that in class. The bar soap we got to here. Find the cost of each item. Y is the sponge. The sponge is 15 cents. Wow, that's cheap, you know, for sponge. To find the bar soap, I should have done this so it doesn't waste too much time. I'm going to use the this equation right here. So to find a bar soap, 5x plus 3 times 15 cents, 5x plus 3 times 15 we get equal 45 cents. I should know that. I should need a calculator. Equal to 305. Right. And then I subtract 45 cents. $3 and a minus 3. $2.60. 5x divided by 5. I get 0.52, just to make sure. Divide that by 5. Yep, 52 cents. So bar soap is 52 cents. Bar soap, because X belongs to the bar soap, cost 52 cents. And Y is sponge. Sponge cost 15 cents. Okay. And then the mixture problem, I set it up. You should have the type, decimal amount. Drink A, we don't know amount, so we get 0.06x. Drink B, it's 15% pure juice. We don't know the amount, so we give it Y, so multiply them together. We get 0.15y. This is 4 liter. You get 0.4 when you multiply that to 10. Then you multiply all of it by 100. So your equation is x plus y and then multiply it all by 100, you get 6x, 15y, and 40. Basically move it 2 places. Okay, and then I would eliminate the, let me make more of this of 15 than let's multiply it by -6. Eliminate your x. Something's wrong. That doesn't look right. Okay, let's see. Making sure 0.10 times 4 is 0.40. It should go in evenly. I'll come back to it. Maybe I copied something wrong in the problem. Doesn't look like it. Maybe I copied it wrong from the textbook that I was looking at. I can't figure it out. I'm not sure. Anyways, the farm one equals the total corn and soybean equals total of 300 acres. So use substitution. Okay. So x plus 10 equals to 300. 2x minus 10. How many acres of each crop does she need to plant? So x is corn is okay, so if corn is 145 and it's 300, corn is 145 acre, is ACRE. Okay, to make 300, so 300 subtract from that. Let's use a calculator. What a well, okay. What? Anyways, it's 155. That's 300. So the other one, soybeans, takes up 155 acres. Okay, ACR. Well, you guys know. Okay. And then you do this one, okay, the chemical. Okay, I hope you know how to set it up. So this is 0.52x. I shouldn't do this when I'm this tired. Okay, and then 82, 0.82. We don't know the amount, that's why. Okay, and then you set it up the other way too. multiply it all by 100. Okay, you find what x and y is. The amount of 52% is x, the amount of 82% is y. Okay, and this you do that, and then you graph it. Hope you know how to do this, okay? Write the equation for it. These are the cost. And that's the equation, and that's for the equation for income. Graph it. So they're going to meet at 50, and it's going to cost 750. Your income is 750 also. And then 0 cost is still, if you change your mind, it's going to still be $250. Okay, income, what do you make 0? Shirt cost is 0, 0. And then 100. $10x plus 250, 100 would be 1,000. So 1,250. Okay, if you ordered 100. So income would be 15 times 1,000, 100. And then graph one at a time. Now the trick is the number of shirt is 100, right? I think there's 24, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 20. So 100 divided by 20 is 50 each, right? 50, so that's 100. Anyways, I hope you know how to graph. I'm just too tired. Okay. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1,000. Okay. This will take forever to upload because I'm so tired. Driving always exhausts me. Okay, the money that's involved. Okay, the most amount is 1,500. Divide that by the number of boxes. Half of it is 75. I guess we can count by 75. Be 150, right? 75, 150. 300, 450. 600. And okay, so on and so forth. Okay. All right, let's do this. anyways, okay. All right. And then do the cost first, 0 to 50. It's 225. 250 is right there. And then 50, 750. Oh man, what am I doing? Why am I numbering that by 100? 100 divided by 20. It's 5. Okay, much better. 50 and 750. And 100 is 250. 1250. Somewhere there. Estimate it. Connect the dots. Label it cost. And do the same thing for income, but it starts with 0, 0. And label this income. And then explain, right in here, explain that before 50 shirts, the cost will be more than income, so you're losing money. At 50 shirts, it costs you $700, but you also collect it costs you $750, and also you're collecting $750 in income. Essentially, your profit is 0, but after 50 shirts, your income is more. Therefore, your profit is more finally than cost. And go ahead and do this on your own. You can do this on your own. Set it up, graph it. Takes a little bit more time. Tomorrow, your substitution part is worth 4 points. This and that. Your table is going to be worth 4 points. Your graph is going to be worth 4 points. Your explanation is going to be worth 4 points. So different parts will be worth different. So this problem will be worth quite a bit. Okay? So make sure you know how to do it.